A clever yet simple setup makes it possible for students to use a tablet in place of an expensive microscope. Fuchun Primary's Huang Shuli explains.
透过那个螺丝，我们可以调整它的焦距，然后我
We
们
can
透过
use
之
these
后进
screws to
入
adjust the
手
focus of a
指头的
convex
它的
lens.
功能
Then, using the
它对在
functions
那
of your
个
cell
捕捉
phone or
进来的地
tablet,
方
you can
就可以
clearly see the
很清楚地看到
microorganisms
你
that
要
you're
观察的
observing.
微生物。
These remote control boats were created with 3D printing and vacuum forming. Their decks made with laser engraving, all technologies that are accessible to Taiwanese elementary schools. It's part of a new endeavor called Maker Education and Tech Centers. These are just some of the technologies that you'll be able to see this year on the sidelines of the science fair. You can also cheer on the competing projects, a total of 394 selected from more than 12,000 entries. These science events will take place in the central city of Taichung from July 23rd through 29th. From the flower-shaped logo for the event, you can see that it's being viewed as a warm-up for the Taichung World Flora Expo. Andrew Ryan, RTI News.